Here's my friends. Hi guys. Not talking to you.
Oh no, why not?
I don't know. They're being mean. Now they're talking. Oh, now that we moved out of there. Oh, really, guys? Uh-huh. Good trick. Really? Let's see if we can find our favorite droid. I see some R2 stuff. Yay! I love R2. I don't know if you can recognize that I love R2.
Yes.
That's cool. I like that one right there. That R2. Oh, that's. Did he here?
No, I checked.
Oh. So this is where you go to build your own droid. That's wild. So if you wanted to, you can go over here and put your name thingy, and then you pick out your droid parts from the conveyor belt. See that? All the You can customize your droid with the personality chips.
That's awesome.
So each one of these will give it a different personality. Oh. Let's see if you can hear this. And that one. And that one. And then that one. And then that one. Now let's just do the first one just in case.
I like these two.
There you go. She's pictured personality droid. There we go. Let's see.
Resolution one.
And there's DJ Rex there. Look at those droids in there.
Oh wow.
GG2!
GG2! Yeah, GG2!
Uh-oh, there's one saying hello. There you go. Do you have a name? I guess that's a yes. You do have a name.
He's a little feisty today.
A little feisty, yeah.
What does he say?
All sorts of stuff.
Use language like that.
That's why you have to bleep them.
Okay.
Now that's cool. Having all the attachments sticking out, that's very cool. You can get really carried away with some of this stuff. This is really cool. Well, there you go. Oh, there's a big R2 unit in there. There's a big R2 unit. That's really cool. Let's go see if we can get a closer look at them. All right, he's turned his back to us. Oh, that's right out of my childhood. Fast Peters.
Awesome.
From Star Wars. Fast Peters. All right, I guess we'll do it a little bit later. See you soon. We'll try to come back here at night.